videos. Do you know what is my favorite activity? My favorite activity is art and craft. See how big it is and so neat and allowed to craft and art and paint. Allowed to cutting like I have seen in the box and so many things in here. Also threads, cross, everything we have. And let's open it. I'm so excited to open. Are you excited to open? Let's open it. Are you excited? See guys, how is it? Whoa, it's so cool. It's mine. Out. Good. Oh, sponge. A sound we have. And we have so many things. It's so soft. And we have a scissors. No plastic scissors. It's a plastic. You can cut only paper, wood paper. That's it. And so something more else. What's here, guys? There also it. Okay. And a wooden thread. Red glue. It's like a snake. Red snake. It's cotton candy. It's cotton candy. And I think this is a cotton. And that's it. Oh, colorful. It's a colorful craft paper. Okay. And one more thing. Clay. Yellow clay. And then it's so clear and it's moved out. It's so hard. In the place you use new, I think. Okay. Okay. What is it? Let me see. And is there watercolor? What is watercolor? It's a paint. Okay, let me get it. Good, nice. Let me put it again. Okay, we will put it through. And we have the sponge sheet and then okay. Another sheet, a paper. We have front over here, back, green, front, pink. Okay. And two blue and pink straws each. Okay. What are these? These are earbuds. And these are the shapes of cakes. See, there are two of them. Dolphin and a dog. Last but not least, googly eyes. We should not forget it. You can put a monster. In the end, I have a googly eyes. I want to make an activity. Let's put it down. That's a clean paper. We forgot this. We forgot this. I don't know. Let me see if we cut or not. It's cutting. See how it is cutting? Oh my god, this is very bad. This was wooden paper. Okay, that's it. And we should cut it in a square. No, it's not that. Oh, it's on top. These are squares. Green space. I'm moving together. Okay. One more square. One more square again. Okay. One. Cut. That's it. Easy. Easy. That's it. One. Nice. One more paper. One more rectangular space. That's it. We got it out. Rectangular braces. Yeah. No. Yeah. So many green space. Yeah, it has luck. Like and it's so much of fun. Oh, that's it. These are the papers. Collect some. Okay. Then, wow, it's so cool. And let me play with it. Let me put the scissors inside. Cut. Oh my god. Okay. Nice. Put it on video. And let me make some gifts of dogs and everything. So that's it. Okay, that's one day. That's better. Put it over here. And squish it. Wait a minute. Squishy. That's it. Go. No. Yeah. No. Okay. Okay, you go. Open. Nothing happened. I don't have to play.